In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make product ads Lovart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple product photo into a polished on-brand ad using Lovart's AI design tools. First, open your browser and head to Lovart's homepage. This is the hub where everything happens. Once you're on the site, you're ready to create. No need to overthink it. Just make sure you have the product image you want to feature handy on your computer. Next, choose Nano Banana Pro. This option is great for image-based ads and gives you strong control over style and layout. If your goal is a video ad, pick the video option or Dance 2.0 instead. But for today, we'll stick with still images so you can master the basics quickly. Inside the workspace, look for the plus icon and click it to start a new creation. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas. It's the fastest way to get your assets and instructions into the system so the AI can get to work for you. Now click Upload File and select the product image you want to turn into an ad. For best results, choose a high-resolution photo with good lighting and a clear subject. A clean background helps, but it's not required. The AI can frame and style your product creatively. Always make sure you have the right to use the image in your marketing. With your image in place, type your prompt. This is where you guide the look, feel, and message. Be specific about brand tone, audience, and the outcome you want. For example, you might describe a minimalist layout, a color palette that matches your brand, a headline that highlights a key benefit, and a short call to action. If you're aiming for certain platforms, mention aspect ratios or placements like square for social feeds or vertical for stories. You can also include what to avoid, such as cluttered backgrounds or overly heavy text, to keep the design clean. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit to generate. Lovart will interpret your instructions and build the ad concept around your product image. Give it a moment to process. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt with clearer direction. Tighten the message, adjust colors or mood, and submit again. Small tweaks often make a big difference, and iterating is part of the creative process. That's all you need to create a sharp product ad in Lovart. You visited the site, chosen the right tool, started a new project, uploaded your product image, written a strong prompt, and generated your ad. Keep refining your prompt as you go, and you'll quickly dial in professional results.